To deal 5-card draw poker, first deal each player 1 card at a time, starting with the player to your left and moving clockwise, until every player has 5 cards. Then, wait for the player to your left to look at their cards and bet. The player to their left bets next, and so on. Once it's your turn to bet, you can call, raise, or fold. At that point, if there is more than 1 player left in the game, players can discard as many cards from their hand as they'd like and draw new cards. Start with the remaining player closest to your left and deal them as many cards as they discarded from their hand. Repeat for the rest of the remaining players, moving clockwise around the table. If you're still in for that round, discard your cards and deal yourself new ones last. Now the remaining players bet, and the player with the best hand wins the pot. Once the round is over, pass the cards to the player to your left, so they can shuffle and deal next.